How many of you still remember this music? Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Nokia ringtone. Nokia's first GSM phone came into existence on November 10th, 1992, and this particular music was used in its commercial the same year. And later, this became the iconic ringtone of Nokia phones. But did you know that this music is not just exclusive to Nokia, but it was rather a piece of music composed for solo classical guitar by the Spanish classical guitarist and composer Francisco Tárrega in the year 1902. The name of the composition is Grand Vals, and this Nokia tune, as we know, was taken from measures 13 to 16 of the piece.